Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a document to a new folder on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone. Here you should tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on new folder. Now type in the name of it, and if you want to add the document to it, tap on the move button and select the folder that you have just created, and then click on the move button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now, as you can see, if you tap on the folder, that this particular document has been added to it. So if you want to remove it from this section, just simply click on the document itself and tap on either the move icon if you want to put it back to the previous section, as you can see, or you can also delete it by tapping on it and then pressing the delete button. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.